if you're experiencing performance issues while playing Roblox. Lowering the graphics settings can help improve your gameplay. Follow these steps to adjust your graphics settings effectively. Step 1. Open Roblox. Launch the Roblox application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the game settings. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Once you are in the game, locate the menu button, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to graphics settings. In the settings menu, look for the graphics option. This section allows you to adjust the visual quality of the game. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Adjust the graphics quality slider. You will see a slider that controls the graphics quality. Move the slider to the left to lower the graphics settings. This will reduce the visual detail and improve performance. Step 5. Save and exit. After adjusting the slider to your desired graphics quality, close the settings menu. Your changes will be saved automatically and you can continue playing with improved performance. By following these steps, you can easily lower the graphics settings in Roblox to enhance your gaming experience. Enjoy your gameplay.